So that bridge is still not done yet. They still haven't even poured the concrete yet. Detour. We're gonna go underneath this bridge right here. It's so scary right here. This is actually the road. This is not the sidewalk. The sidewalk is over there. They added concrete barriers. Original column. It's so dirty down here. 1988. First gen punk, second gen barrier. That's from 1970 up there. Yeah, look at that. First time walking underneath this bridge. That's old, 1964, 1988, and that's brand new from last year. There's no protection here, look at that. You can see some of the dirt stuck on the side of that box bridge. I was gonna go to the Home Depot, but I skipped my stop, so now it's really dirty down there, very dirty. So yeah.